Sindagi Shantavireshwara Ayurvedic Medical College, Haveri, Department of Panchakarma, guided by Dr. Sangmesh Todgaudar, HOD, Dr. Rahina, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, SSAMC, Haveri. This video is about Pratishaya, applied Panchakarma in Dushta Pratishaya. निरुक्ति वात प्रति अभिमुखं शायोगमनं कफादीनां यत्र स प्रतिशायः. The disease in which kafadi dosha get dragged towards vayu and are expelled out through nostrils is called pratishaya. Hetu of pratishaya. The causes of pratishaya are nari prasanga, shiro abhighat, dhuma raja sevana, शीत प्रताप, मूत्र पुरुष वेग धारणा. संप्राप्ति ऑफ प्रतिशाय चयम घता मूर्धनि मारुतादयः पृथक् समस्ताश्च तथैव शोणितं प्रकोप्यमाण विविधैः प्रकोपणैर्नूनं प्रतिशायकरो भवन्ति हि. सुश्रुत उत्तरस्थान वृद्ध वातोल्बण दोष नासायं स्त्यनतां गताः जनयन्ति प्रतिशायं. वाग्भट उत्तरतन्त्र घ्राणमूले स्थितः श्लेष्म रुधिरं पित्तमेव वा मारुतात्मात् शिरसो मारुतं शायते प्रतिशायस्ततो घोरो जायते देहकर्षणः. चरकचिकित्सास्थान ड्यू टू निदान सेवन कफ प्रधान वातानुबंध त्रिदोष प्रकोप विलोकर कफ gets increases its ghanata in dushta nasa, vata gets prakopa and enters in shira, grana and mula and nasa pradesha, gets sthana samshaya in nasa pradesha, pratishaya will occur. Purva rupa of pratishaya shiro guruta kshavatu angamarta rishtaromata कंठोध्वांस मुखस्राव शिरपूरण घ्राणधूमायन. Dushta Pratishaya. Dushta Pratishaya is one among the complications of Pratishaya. If Pratishaya is neglected in early stages, then it will lead to Dushta Pratishaya. Hetu of Dushta Pratishaya Sarva eva Pratishaya Narasya Pratikariणः Kalena Rogajanana Jayante दुष्टपेनसाः. सर्व एव प्रतिशाय दुष्टतां यान्त्युपेक्षिताः. If patient do not undergo proper treatment of all types of pratishaya due to ignorance and continue to get exposed to etiological factors, it leads to preponderance of dosha. This causes transformation of pratishaya into dushta pratishaya as a complication. Lakshana of Dushta Pratishaya. Lakshanas are foul smell from the mouth or nose along with anosmia, swelling of face. During this phase, there is a alternate moistening and drying of nose along with blackish red and knotty cough or nasal discharge in which minute, long, slimy and white worms or maggots develop. This condition is called as Dushta Pratishaya. Sadhya Asadhyata of Dushta Pratishaya. According to Sushruta, it is Krutra Sadhya. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, Yapya. According to Yoga Ratnakara, Asadhya. Snehapana. Snehapana is performed with Gruta processed with Trikatu, Chitraka, Yavakshara, Bejaka or Shigru, Vidanga, bark of Poti Kharanja, Trilavana and meat juice and mixed with Madhu. After digestion of Gruta, when patient feels hungry, he should take meal along with soup of meat of desert animals added with a lot of oil. After executing Samyak Snehapana, patient is managed similar to Kafaja Pratishaya. Following management is advised after Dushta Pratishaya attains Pakva Avastha. Avapedanasya, Trikatu, Indrayava, Vidangasara, Jiraka and Saindava is macerated in urine of goat and used for Avapedana Nasya. Snehana and Virechana. Once the Nasa marga or nasal passage is cleansed with above measures, patient is submitted again to Snehana and Virechana. Roasted Yava, Bhutruna, Amrataka, Jiraka and Trivrut are mixed with cow's urine and decoction is prepared. Powdered Haritaki, Shunti, Maricha, Kramuka, Saindava and Yavakshara is mixed with juice of Bijapuraka. Patient is advised to drink this decoction followed by drinking plenty of water. Grutapana. Grutapana is again given to patient at appropriate time after Samyak Lakshana of Virechana appears. Gruta processed with decoction of Musta, Haridra, Nagara, Yavakshara, Potikaranja, Renuka added with urine of goat, sheep or cow and curds should be used. Niruha and Anuvasana Baste. Niruha and Anuvasana Baste is given to patient with Tishna drugs. According to Hindu, Grutapana as a Anupashaya. If the patient does not get relief in spite of all above mentioned remedial measures, Gruta processed with Hingu, Yavakshara, Devadaru should be consumed followed by meat juice as a Anupana. This will help in improving body resistance. Dhumapana in case of Dushta Pratishaya. Preparation. It is prepared initially by making a paste of tender leaves of Koshamra, Murva, Tarkari, Ingudi, Fani Majjaga, Bruhat Panchamula, Kantakari, Sariva, Pippali, Vataka Bija, Panchanga of Ahimaraka and macerated in a goats of urine and juice of fresh dung of goat and horse. It is lubricated with Gruta and Dhumapana is executed. Arishta and Rasayana Prayoga in Dushta Pratishaya. For bestowing the strength and resistant power, patient should use a Draksha Arishta or other Arishta orally. It is also effective in improving the digestive power. Along with above said remedial measures, Ashtanga Hrudaya expresses that development of Dhatukshaya and Krumi occurs in Dushta Pratishaya. Moreover, it is also Yapya and hence management of Raja Ikshma and Krumi should be employed in these diseases also. Generally, Snehapana is contraindicated in Amavastha of any disease. However, in Dushta Pratishaya, Gruta is processed with Devana Pachana drugs like Trikatu, Chavya, Chitraka, etc. and hence can be used in Amavastha also. Importance of Pratishaya. Bhoishtam Vadayah Sarve Pratishaya Nimittajaha Tasmad Rogaha Pratishayah Purvam Evopadishyate. Bhadiryam Andyam Ghranam Gorascha Nayanam Ayan Kasagni Sada Shofanscha Rudaha Kurvanti Pinasaha. Negligence of all types of Pratishaya lead to Dushta Pratishaya and in due course of time being severely aggravated generates many complications like a Bhadirya, Andhatva, Gandha Dhyana Hani, grave eye diseases, Kasa, Agnisada, inflammation, Kshaya, etc. For this reason, immediate management of Pratishaya should be started to prevent all above complications.